Kashmiri Ferran Ashwarya to the Dogri suit here in the Jammu region. This is our final leg of the journey, but I can tell you that it's interesting, the comments, the feedback that I've been receiving. Now, in Jammu, where I am right now, are special polling booths that have been set up for the Kashmiri Pandits. The displaced refugees who've had to flee from the Kashmir Valley have got an opportunity to be able to vote from wherever they are living. Now, these are refugee quarters, the Jagti camp, as it is called, and I can see what is good to see is a flurry of activity here in the Jammu region, and they are coming out to vote. And let's get in a quick word, sir. आप मुझे बताइए, आप यहाँ कश्मीरी पंडित्स के लिए जो हुआ है, 15,000 Kashmiri Pandits are eligible to vote in these special polling booths across in different cities. Sir, किस तरह का माहौल है? क्या ये अच्छी बात है कि आप लोगों के लिए सेटअप हुए हैं पोलिंग बूथ स्पेशल?
हम धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं आदरणीय नरेंद्र जी मोदी जी का। 2014 के बाद जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में काफी डेवलपमेंट हुई और हमारे जो स्पेशल पोलिंग बूथ्स है जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने मतलब यहाँ पे बनाए हैं, तो इससे विस्थापित समाज को काफी सहूलियत है। वो घर से बाहर मतलब वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे आकर के वोट डाल कर।
मोदी फैक्टर लग रहा है आप लोगों को है यहाँ पे, उन पे विश्वास है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी पे? अभी भी
पूरे वर्ल्ड को विश्वास है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के ऊपर, तो JNK में भी लोगों को काफी विश्वास है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के ऊपर।
I just want to show you a quick glimpse of what we see here. I see there are people who've set up. Remember, this is a special polling booth. These are refugees who have original address in different parts of Kashmir. So they are going to vote as per that. So the voting is not in Jammu city, but because it's happening in different parts of Kashmir Valley as well, where they are possibly residents of. Ma'am, एक quick word लेंगे. आप लोग कहाँ के आपका original address है कश्मीर का?
कंगन में हम रहते हैं, श्रीनगर कंगन।
आप लोग का कहाँ है?
हबागदल।
तो इन एरियाज में तो वोटिंग हो रही है आज है, तो यहाँ से आप कर रहे हैं, तो क्या ये अच्छी अरेंजमेंट है?
बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है।
आपको लगता है?
नहीं, हमने खुद ही देखा मैम, बहुत अच्छी तरह, बिल्कुल अच्छा हो रहा है।
एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन, आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी बिजी, बट इज देयर अ गुड टर्नआउट? लोग आ रहे हैं आपको लगता है? मैम सर, टर्नआउट कैसा है अभी यहाँ?
अभी ठीक चल रहा है, अभी लोग आ रहे हैं।
What are big issues that Kashmiri Pandits are going to vote in the special polling?
इशू मेन यही है जो मैंने पहले भी आपको बोला, हमारा रिहैबिलिटेशन, परमानेंट रिहैबिलिटेशन, और वही वजह है कि वोट पड़ रहे हैं।
So rehabilitation, clearly rehabilitation, remember, for the Kashmiri Pandits to have hope. Now the consensus or the sentiment I have here is that they do still believe that Prime Minister Modi will help them return to their homeland, but this is a special arrangement that has been made, Ashwarya, and perhaps this may see a bigger turnout as well when it comes to the Kashmiri Pandit community. Over to you.
Right, Pooja, you know, because Kashmiri Pandits, that is something that has been the bone of that the BJP, in fact, has been speaking about over the past many years, and now we are seeing these special booths that have been made. Pooja, do you believe that this, in fact, is something which is very good, because you have travelled through the length and the breadth of Jammu and Kashmir? Do you believe that the voter turnout will be high? Were you able to see the enthusiasm on the ground?
There's definitely been a very interesting election. Remember, there are several issues. The first, after Article 370, abrogation, delimitation, union territory, and then there are issues of minorities as well, whether the Sikh minority in Kashmir or the Hindu Kashmiris who've been forced to flee since the 1990s. So there are different factors. You mentioned rehabilitation or issues of the Kashmiri Pandits. All parties, Aishwarya, all parties, National Conference, Congress, every party has mentioned that they will help with rehabilitation of the Kashmiri Pandits. But the fact is, they're still here right now in Jammu. It's not the best of facilities that they have. They have lived in tents. They have moved to a certain one room, 2 room quarters, which are not in the best facilities. A lot needs to be done. But there are transit accommodations that have been made from Srinagar and to other areas in Kashmir as per Prime Minister package scheme as well, where the employees go. So steps have definitely been taken. But the sentiment I had here is that they believe at least a certain peace has come, which has brought hope to them. They did not even have a hope to return to Kashmir, and that hope has come, and perhaps that could reflect is what I can tell you right now on the ground. So this is what is happening across Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, second phase is also crucial. Srinagar, Lal Chowk, Habba Kadal, where many Kashmiri Pandits come from, and the city, the power center that's called of politics in J&K, that goes to vote. There are areas like Naushera, Riyasi, which has seen mortar shelling in the past few years, hasn't happened lately. Riyasi, where civilians were targeted by jihadists backed by Pakistan. So there are the issues of terror that has surfaced for Jammu region, that while peace is normalcy sort of returning to Kashmir Valley, in the Jammu region, you have seen a spike in terror cases against police personnel, armed forces and the civilians as well, Aishwarya.
Pooja, you are in Jammu, and we did see reports which pointed towards the fact that Jammu unfortunately has become the new Kashmir. So many cases, especially just before the elections, the security was a big threat. We did see, especially in the Poonch region and in the adjoining regions, almost every second day we were hearing one encounter or the other. So security, obviously, a big issue this election season.
Well, that's right. Now, it wouldn't be correct to say that Jammu has become the new Kashmir, but definitely there's been a terror spike. And I think that's also the reason that the focus was Kashmir and Jammu. Remember, I must add here, the region has always maintained its peace and calm. There's a certain unity in diversity. People who were fleeing from the border areas with Pakistan or Kashmir Valley found shelter in Jammu. And that's why people of Jammu believe that they've shown support to nationalist politics, to BJP, and should get some feedback as well. Let me get some more voices. Sir, आप भी मुझे बताइए, आप लोग यहाँ पे आपने वोट कर दिया है?
जी, हमारा आज का नहीं, हमारा अनंतनाग का था, वो तो हमने कर दिया। हाँ जी,
तो पिछली
बार हमने वोट कर दिया।
कहाँ से थे आप? अनंतनाग?
मेरा अनंतनाग शांगस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी है। हाँ जी।
तो वहाँ पे आपको क्या लगता है जब आप यहाँ पे वोट कर रहे हैं स्पेशल पोलिंग बूथ्स में, किस तरह का सेंटिमेंट है, क्या सोच के आप लोग वोट डाल?
एक्चुअली हम इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया का धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं, जिन्होंने जो हमारी जो एम फॉर्म की प्रक्रिया थी पहले, बड़ी जटिल थी वो, तो उसको स्क्रैप कर दिया हमारे इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया और हमारे भारत सरकार ने। पहले हम उनका धन्यवाद करते हैं, और उससे क्या होता है, हमारी वोट परसेंट बहुत कम होता था। तो इस बार तो लोग आते हैं।
टर्नआउट अच्छा है?
हाँ, टर्नआउट बिल्कुल अच्छा है। तो पहले क्या पहले तो सप्लीमेंट्री वोट नहीं हम डाल सकते, जिसका नाम नहीं था वोटर लिस्ट में वो वोट नहीं डाल सकता था। तो अब सप्लीमेंट्री वोट भी डाल सकते हैं। ये धन्यवाद करते हैं भारत सरकार का।
Alright, so you can see that there's a sentiment that they are being given a facility to be able to vote. If you heard someone saying, I'm from Habba Kadal in Srinagar, I'm from Anantnag, I'm from Kangan, these are areas where their ancestors and their families have lived till they were forced to flee. So the fact remains they are in Jammu, they're at a special polling booth, and that's the reality of J&K. A lot has changed, Aishwarya, but a lot needs to change further.